My dog Javi produced that one, is it?
Ambassador Music.
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. And you don't know the sitting set, you know. You don't know where they eat there, and that's how we're there, isn't it? So the man himself drop him official music video for Ocean Wave. You see me? So far, I'm like, all the people that interact with it are going good. No jokes. Here are going no.
You know, system we are create waves like the ocean, yeah. When you're there, better than your son, Lord.
So watch on people for all who watch the video already and want to see the review, yeah. This review is for point out a few hints so don't miss out in the video, you see me? And we know man himself as an very good artist, you see me people? So make you carry on and match up this quick.
They even dance with them, watch we have emotion, deep and we slow down. We do it first.
Right, this as you can see already, the youth have some newspaper about what? So as me I read and me I do my research, it has a high level of alkaline found in the water at the site that it was impacted, is it? So some ocean, so yeah, a huge ocean wave licked Jamaica around in the 16 and in the 19, 07 and 93, is it? So alkaline set so BAPS and have the name alkaline, which is found in water, and use it at the same time as a style. You see me? And the message where it a portray and everything, it just say, and not just a music him giving in him face. He must show you, say, him is, yo, January people, he must move with him name, he must move with the whole motion and everything, and alkaline him represent. You see me people? Yeah, dog.
Never the time for relying on people to make my move and never saw me grow up. And I know say me hype, I know you're probably right, but it
analyze peeps and watch, you know, another thing with alkaline. The dog is used to portray this hype behavior that everybody says still, isn't me? But you know really business about that. And you know said them man they change big time, and the music we do right now even got a man I move in a different pace people. I respect alkaline for everything when come out and I do down to today day. I know him just change up the whole level line thing. Yo dog, props.
I guess anything goes. Me I live my life telling me I'm on. I used to be that little kid, now I am the grown. Take my life the
bad alkaline. I want to them money, yo. A long time we are wait for your video, you know, bro God. Actually, you don't even know, young lad. Yeah, dog. Yeah, people, so you can check out the full video over upon the theme page, because all copyrights won over to them, so I can't go too far about the whole video and thing. You see me, but that one is bad, so I have to come talk about it today.
Skinny nigga did that talent, but never have no luck, so bro. My father get laid off, now have no up. Did have to turn a man from best, so now my life sweet like a dough.
Young lad movements, man, so all of the vendetta people, them do subscribe, you see me? Who else, if anyone or whatsoever, you can subscribe. You see me, because the door always open for that. The trend, the dance all day upon them. You see me? So Alkaline Ocean Wave video right now, I pull it up around 10 times. I tap me, I tell you, Jay, oh.
You know I wouldn't change a thing. No, choose the have to lose a couple times before you win. Oh, yeah. A bad
people, that one are bad people. When I need to go watch it, yo. You see it? And the story line behind it connect. So, me that for game, alright. I rate that video. I give it a 10 out of 10. You see it? Alkaline Ocean Wave review this. You see me? 10 out of 10 it get.
Yeah, in a castle I'm eating apples. I look out on the sea, I show me youth them how we do it. Great waves like the ocean.
Ocean Wave? Oh, you mean dog? I'm to them man. Do it dog. Storyline behind this bad to you know people. Not sure you know hear me talk about some other things, you know. You see me that one is bad, you know, people. I want to take it normal, you know. So watch a prayer. Alkaline Ocean Wave sell off. The audio and Alkaline Ocean Wave video sell off. So you know what that for me? That's like a gold. Yeah, dog.
Yeah, when you're there, better than your son, Lord. Explosion and we make the commotion.
People, it sang bad, youth. I'm telling you. The trendy dance all I talk about that one alkaline dog. You see me? Yeah dog, I rate that one yeah. We should move. How them feel like. Yeah dog, so you can go check out the full visual over upon the film page, because the dog are doing things different. You see me? And at the end of the video these people so you know the style. If you're not subscribers yet, please do so. Like, comment and share to anyone in your friend or family. Is it?